everyone. Today I'll be making air fryer coconut macaroons. What all goes into the air fryer coconut macaroons? 3 cups of sweetened coconut flakes, 2/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. Take a large bowl, dump in your 3 cups of sweetened shredded coconut, the 2/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk. I've never made macaroons before. That doesn't look like it's too hard to do. I did have a mix one time, a box mix, and Dave absolutely loved those, so I'm sure he'll love these unless I burn them or undercook them or something. And that's a possibility. And then add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix that until completely combined. After that is all mixed up, set it aside. In a separate bowl, take your 2 large egg whites, dump into that bowl, and your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whisk that until soft peaks form. Let's see if the soft peaks. There we go. Then take your large bowl full of the coconut mix and put your egg whites in the bowl with the shredded coconut, and then gently fold that in to the coconut. And to fold, you go from the bottom and fold over, and do that until it's totally, completely, absolutely mixed in. You don't want to stir because that will deflate the egg whites. You need to be very gentle. Take your air fryer. We want to preheat it. We don't want to turn it. We want to turn it to 10 to 12 minutes, so I'm going to do 11 minutes. We want to check on it sooner. We don't want it to burn, so check halfway through, and we're going to go to 325. And start. Put in your parchment paper. Take your scooper and make little balls with it. Don't need to have too much space between them, I don't believe. I don't think they usually are in ball shapes. I don't know how many of these will make, but I know I'll have to do a couple of batches. And they're small, so you got to keep an eye on them, make sure that they don't burn. You want them golden brown on the outside. And like it says, check it about halfway through so it doesn't burn. So I put the coconut macaroons in there, but I will check it at 6 minutes just to see how they're doing. They are looking done. They are brown around the outside edges. I am going to remove them and put them on a wire rack and let them cool. It made 19 of them. So here are the air fryer coconut macaroons. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Macaroons?
Yeah, made in the air fryer.
Oh. That's pretty good. I like it. Actually, they're a little bit crunchy on top. I like that. A lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.